Welcome back. In today's Microsoft Word tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the page color. This is a nice and simple tutorial. If you're not sure how to do it, you first need to have your pages ready, and then you want to go to the Design tab. If you go to the page background section, which should be the furthest right, you can see we've got an option here to change page color. If you click on that, we've got all the theme colors, and you can choose more colors as well, to change to a custom color, where we can use the custom tab to get any of the colors available. If we make ours a light blue for this example, you can also go down to fill effects. Now this will add a gradient. We can also add a texture, a pattern, or a picture. And if we click on select picture, we can browse our PC for a background that is a picture rather than a color. If we go on gradient, we can choose two colors, and we can choose the first and the last colors. If we go to a slightly darker blue, and then change it to a horizontal gradient, click OK, you can see how that would appear. If you want to revert it back to the default white, you can click on page color and then go to no color to revert it to how it was. And that's it, nice and simple. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.